Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a t-shirt design. So open a new project, so go to text, NBA and resize it, change the font, add Anton or Impact as you want. Yeah, Impact is good. Choose white color and go to element and choose a new shape. You can choose a black color and resize it. And make it behind the text. Voila. And go to elements and choose a new shape. You can put the shape as you want or where you want. Duplicate the shape. And duplicate again. Well, and added a new text. Skip and go to font and choose Anton. She looks good. Duplicate the small text. Alright, like sport word. And resize it as you want. And move it fit with the text. And go to apps and make search for Typecraft. USA and go to font and look for Anton. And go to color and choose white color. also, and choose horizontal mirror point. She looks good. And now download the page. Open your page and upload the image. Process the image and remove background. Process the image. And go to element and look for any picture as you want. Nature. I will choose this one and change the position. And resize the image. This one, now your design is ready for printing. Select the image and go to edit image, choose Newton, custom, shadow, and select a white color. After, choose shadow, white shadow, outline shadow, and resize the border. Select all and resize. Voila. Download the image as transparent background image. And open the page. Upload the image. and go to elements, and after mockups and choose apparel. For me, I can choose hoodie. And drag the image to the hoodie. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in next video.